So Ron, this is a very familiar spot. We filmed Forged Everybody's Story. You have really a lot of nice cars here, right? These are all clients' cars you've worked
cars
on.
and personal cars, shop cars.
What's your personal car here?
So this is our 991.2 GT3. It's our shop car that we've been building.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, this is a 991.2 GT3. It has our titanium TIG welded exhaust. It also, we just put these flares on. So next step, obviously BBS Motorsport wheels, and this will be hitting the streets next. Other than that, these two are my buddy Rob's cars. This is a Lamborghini Murcielago on BBS, obviously 88 race pockets.
Those are the first ones, right?
Yeah, ever done before. This car, we've done a lot of world's first. LMs, BBS RSs, these E88s. And this is like real estate on wheels for sure, because it's a gated manual, 6,000 original miles.
And he drives it. I seen it at shows.
Yeah, he drives it. This thing is one of my favorite cars, man. It's literally something you wouldn't want to go down in Miami. Do a bunch of crack, who knows, whatever. No, I'm just kidding.
Stuff. If you know, you know.
But this is also Rob's 997.1 GT3 RS and Motorsport again, BBS E88s. We did frozen brush clear, mirror polished lips. And over here, this is a customer's car that we will be doing some BBSs as well, and a BBK. Green.
If you guys are thinking of anywhere else to get BBSs, you guys are thinking wrong.
Well, I mean, yeah.
As a customer, this is the place to get it from.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Over here, we do have my employee Calvin's, who you met.
Okay.
He's killing it. He's 24 years old. This is his 997.2 Carrera S. So he works hard for it. This is his weekend warrior. This car is a really beautiful green. And
you obviously won with the BBSs.
Yep, BBSs as well. He's on coilovers. We did a roll cage. He has a custom exhaust as well and headers. So yeah, this side of the shop, this is our other unit. It's typically my office. This is where I literally do all my work, and obviously like friends and good clients, they come sit here. Typically, yeah, that's it. We do all our shoots in here as well. That's why I made these floors kind of a little different.
It's a really cool place to hang out. But,
yeah.
You know, I think what he showcases here is the different customers' builds and be able to expand on, you know, more ideas, right? Because when you see people throwing BBS wheels on a Lamborghini or a GT3 RS, it's just a beautiful thing to see.
Yeah, yeah, and you know what? Like during the weekends, it's work, but also, you know, we like to chill. This is kind of like our clubhouse. Like on the weekends, we'll be like, you want to hit this meet? All right, meet up at the shop. We're out here chilling, and then we'll go off to the car meets and whatnot. But for the most part, like we do love what we do, obviously, and you know, it's a passion. I love what I do, and it's great meeting people like Ken and.
I want to thank Forrest for that. Yeah, Forrest definitely introduced us, you know.
Yeah.
He was the one that we filmed the Everybody's Story here. That was a cool segment to do, and then for some reason, I guess it's happened twice or 3 times already. People think I'm Ron.
Oh yeah, no, I was in the shitter, you know, and my client came in who got the brush G80, the brush gold LMRs, and he comes in and he goes, "Ron, what's up?" And I'm like,
I'm like, what? Oh, here we go again.
You guys are all racist.
Yeah,
man. You gotta stop that. No, I'm just kidding.
It's just you, Justin. But
no.
Podium, right? Podium was something that, you know, is something that I've seen you guys push out a little bit, right?
Yeah, so we are master dealers for Podium Forged, and I know you guys got a couple B-rolls of those.
We'll bring that
I'll bring it over here. So Podium Forged, we really started this with the company for G8X models. The owner of the company is a good friend of mine, and for the most part, we started making drag packs with them, incorporating our fitments from what we've learned building all customized wheels for the BMW platform. But we started out doing these 18x10, 18x11 drag packs for, I mean, the G80 is producing so much power. Those all-wheel drives, they are producing at least 700 wheel horsepower. So these wheels actually help them hook. We always pair them up with some Nittos, or some Mickey Thompsons, R888s, and I think the whole idea behind it is a lot of people always ask me this: I want concave wheels, I want lipped wheels. So what the guys at Podium did was they developed a one-piece wheel, which is a deep concave, and also it is lipped as well. And these are full forged, and they are manufactured with big brands such as Yokohama's Advance as well as Volks and Rays in general. So
these are not like made in like a third world country.
Yeah,
where
none of
they're
that.
struggling to put things together.
Exactly.
So I think that's one thing that I wanted to be educated with, because I've seen a lot of BMW owners rock the podiums, right?
Yeah.
And I always wonder, like, where were these manufactured and what's the story behind them? Because these are actually in quality facilities being developed.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, we've literally tested these wheels on a lot of these G80 drag cars. I mean, some of these cars are single turbo running like 1,400 wheel horsepower, and these wheels withhold. And the cool thing about them is they're direct bolt-on, no spacers needed. And
extremely good fitment.
Exactly. The fitment's on point. And there's a lot of misunderstanding on these wheels as well. Is they're listed for, they start at 18 pounds, starting. But since the G8X takes such a low offset, it is around like 21 to 22 pounds because of that big pad height to make that offset.
Yeah.
A lot of people say, hey, it's, you know, why isn't it as light? It's like, okay, do you want to run a spacer? Because running a spacer is going to add weight as well. It's essentially the same thing. So these wheels are fitted perfectly for the G8X. No spacers needed. And, you know, they're very durable as well. The Podium also offers lifetime structural warranty, which is great.
Which is what you want, right?
Exactly.
With a wheel company or wheel brand.
Exactly.
I think these are really good for like people that, you know, have a track build or a weekend track car. Or the ones that just want a different look. I think these look pretty good, right? You have that deep dish lip around it.
Yep,
and
exactly.
This has like a race pocket feel to it, right?
Yeah, so this one kind of reminds me of like BBS's somewhat and an LM mixed together. It's almost like they had a baby, but obviously no one can really replicate BBS's huge undercuts. But what I like about this is the race pocket. You know, it's weight savings, big brake clearance. That's what this huge pocket's for. You can really fit some these clear carbon ceramic brakes. And yeah, I mean, overall,
are these readily available?
They're readily available. They're in stock. And you know, we've been running it with a lot of our G8X customers, from M2s, M3s, M4s. We also have some F8X customers that are running this.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah, we've done F87s, the M2s, and also the F90 M5s. All these people that want to run a lot of power, they tend to jump to these wheels. Obviously, there's other brands people are running as well. But you know, I feel like this is more streetable and raceable at the same time, just because it has a nice design.
It's also not going to be your BBS price too.
Yeah, they're a lot more affordable. They're a little less than Volk wheels.
Okay.
So it's around like 3 to 4K for a set. But for the most part, they come brushed clear, which is a premium finish.
And they're fully forged.
And they're fully forged. Once again, back to the T6061. These are forged, and they're fully forged and lightweight. And they're produced in a really good factory. So we back these wheels 100%, and we've tested them and really happy about them, actually.
What's the easiest way for somebody to realize the difference between forged and cast? Cast is going to be heavier, right, for the weight.
Exactly.
Right? Forge is that process of making sure the metal's structurally safe, being lighter, right?
Exactly. And another thing about cast and forge is cast tends to crack. Forged will bend.
Okay.
So it's just a more durable metal.
Yeah, like this is not indestructible. If you hit a pothole that's deeper than my thoughts, it's gonna bend. It's gonna have some structural problems. But then also their lifetime warranty, right?
Exactly.
Right. So
yeah, man.
Ron, I think we spent a lot of time here. I think we probably spent almost all day. We had lunch. We filmed a couple more of the videos. But I think it was good to showcase exactly your facility, right?
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people have hit you guys up for wheels, and it's good to see what this facility is about.
Yeah.
And it's always good. Like when you talk to Ron about wheel fitment or just something in general about cars or life, he treats you like family. I don't know. Anybody that has dealt with him earlier, even customers coming in today, I can see it from like a far perspective, treats you like family.
Yeah, it's crazy. My customer came in and thought it was me and slapped his ass. I was like, whoa. No, I'm just
I was like, hey, whenever you talk on Ron on the phone, we're not the same. We don't do that too.
No, man. I mean, typically, this is what I love. Talking shop is easy for me. I can talk about cars all day. I mean, we're in the Western region. My East Coast customers will call me like 9 a.m. their time, which is 6 a.m. my time. It's funny, but I'll be like, hey, what's up? You know, I'm up. If I'm up, I'll do it. But, you know, obviously I love what I do.
He's busy, though. He's busy. Like, he has a lot of things going on. Seeing, like, him progressing in his business is pretty cool to see, because as a person that's humble like him, he deserves that. I'm being dead honest.
Thank you, man.
Dead honest.
That means a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
There's a lot of bromance
Thank
going
you.
on. So. It's probably because we look alike. I look in the mirror. Look, it's me.
Dude. No, but really, it's been a pleasure meeting you guys. I mean, obviously, thanks to Fars as well. Fars has been a great customer, and other than that, it's just been a great experience with you guys. From all the events you guys throw, from dude, all your personalities. You guys are down-to-earth people, which is very important in this industry. You know, being humble and really enjoying what you like to do.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So other than that, if you guys want to reach AR Motorwerkz and Ron about purchasing or talking about your next wheel set, definitely hit them up. What's the best way for somebody to contact you guys?
You could literally call our main line. You could ask for me. And you could also shoot us an email or DM us on our Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to help, man. Seriously.
Slide into the DMs.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Dig deep into there. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It's been an amazing time here at AR, and I'm exhausted because we didn't get much sleep.
Yeah.
But again, like hanging out with people like this really brings more energy, and we'll see you guys on the next video, which is going to be tomorrow at SSR.
Thank you, guys. Take it easy.